Welcome to Test Your Learning 1. In this problem, you are tasked with writing a program that asks the user to enter a number, an integer, and our program should state whether the number is even or odd. Okay, so examples of this would be if I say 9, then the program should say 9 is an odd number. Likewise, if I enter 2, the program should say 2 is an even number. Great. So what should we do? Well, we definitely need to ask the user for the number. Okay. We need to determine if the number is even or odd. And of course, that would mean we then print the results. Okay, so this is your challenge for this Test Your Learning, and I will see you in the next video where we discuss the solutions.